Hi guys, this is the Tech Girl 007 here. I hope you're all doing well. In this channel, we do all sort of tech gear reviews, editing tips, and tutorials for your social media, just like this one. So go ahead and press on that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications to be the first one to get notified on our future videos. This video will show you how to make a business Gmail account from scratch without the need to enter your mobile number. And right at the end of the video, I will be showing you guys 2 ways in which you could make money with your Gmail even if you don't have nothing in your account. The process is basically the same on iPhone and Android. I'm using an Android or Samsung phone in here. Bear in mind though, all the links mentioned in this video will be listed on the description box below. So let's get started. First things first, go to gmail.com, select use the web version if you're prompted with this page. And here you need to click on create account. Now you have 2 options, for myself and to manage my business. Business account basically makes lots of Gmail services available for you as opposed to the normal personal account. And here you just need to fill in the form, type in your first name, surname, date of birth, and you could choose between all the gender options available, and if you would rather not say, then you have that option too. Now is the tricky bit, and here you're choosing a username which will be your email address. It may not accept the first few kind of domains you would like to enter to have it as your email, and it will also throw a couple that are available as well, which you can click on and that will be your Gmail domain. But otherwise, if you're not happy with what's being offered, you can always try changing it and see if it will accept it. So as you can see, I'm trying a few different ones and Gmail will also suggest a couple of domains for me, but if I don't like the ones that are suggested, I'll just keep on trying and eventually it will accept. I will be using this Gmail account for my future video tutorials, so I'm just typing along the lines of YouTube tutorial so I can easily remember it in the future. But bear in mind though that this account will not be monitored for email, just in case you want to drop in one. However, if you have a question you want to ask me, just jot it in the comment section below and I shall get back to you as soon as possible. Now just enter a password, make sure it's a mix of letters, numbers and symbol. This is not for you to easily forget at all, but rather to prevent the hackers from being able to access your account easily. Now there are a few pages in here you need to go through, just follow as I am and click on the skip wherever possible, even on the page where it will ask you for your phone number. Now on to the 2 ways you could use this email to make money. First of all, since it is 2021, you could use this Gmail to open a YouTube account, so like how I have done, and upload videos right from your phone. And the great thing is that since you're a beginner, you don't even have to have those expensive gears. I will be making many more videos on how to maintain your YouTube account, from creating an account to budget equipment you'll need in the future. to the editing programs and tutorials on the desktop and mobile. However, if you don't have a computer to edit your videos, that's no problem. I know that exact editing app that you need to edit your videos on just using your phone, with tons of features that's available within the app for free. And that's called InShot. Watch my video on how you could edit with InShot. Link will be on the description box below and also on the cards above. Also, if you think your mobile phone doesn't take clear videos, don't worry, I've got you covered for that too. Open Camera is a great app you could use to capture that real camera-like footage. I just wanted to point out in here though, a great little feature on this app is the ability to lock exposure. Now, locking the exposure means the exposure doesn't change based on the brightness of the current scene, so you'll have the same light all the way through. Full tutorial on the app will be coming soon. By the way, if you're wondering what program am I using currently to edit my videos on, it's called Filmora X, and I have tons of tutorials on Filmora if you'd like to know. Just grab the playlist from the cards above or below this video. Now let's move on to the second way to make money, and that with your phone. So the second way to make money with your phone is to make videos and sell them. Now, a lot of users demand 4K videos nowadays. If your phone doesn't record 4K on a normal camera, Open Camera comes in handy in here once again. Not only does it allow for a clear and cut video, but also the ability to change your resolution too, so go ahead and use it to your advantage. The website that I'm going to be telling you guys for you to upload your videos on is very popular. This website allows people to get stock footage from, with a couple of free clips to begin with, but then users have to pay to download pictures or videos, and if it happens to be one of your images or videos that you have uploaded, you're in luck, mate, because Shutterstock.com will pay you commission on every image and video that are downloaded. And I'm telling you, the commission you get in here is good. Alright, so I'm going to wrap up in here. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I shall see you on another video. Take care. Bye.